How can you benefit from the Teleprompter app? First of all, the Teleprompter app provides the software background for your teleprompter hardware, allowing your work to flow more smoothly and easily. The Teleprompter app is also capable of connecting your devices, so you can control your tablet from your phone or vice versa. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, it assists you in content creation by displaying the script for you during video recording. Where can you download the Teleprompter app? The app is currently available in the iOS App Store and is coming soon to Google Play. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, like iPhones, iPads, and other Apple products. But if you want to get the Teleprompter app as soon as possible, use this QR code to download it and try it now. Let's have a look at the basic features of the Teleprompter app. You can manage all your scripts on the Script tab. You can easily create a new script, rename, organize, or delete already existing ones, or even import scripts from your files or from the cloud. When creating a new script, you can write it up manually, implementing your ideas, or benefit from the AI assistance option. Our innovative AI feature is able to write scripts for you or even rephrase sentences in your script draft. You just need to provide the video type, tone, and language. On the Recordings tab, you can easily record and store videos inside the Teleprompter app. The app assists you in some of the post-production tasks, as you can mirror the footage, add captions, and save it to your device. The Visual Timer tab allows you to set a timer during recording, so you don't run out of time in case you want to keep your recording within a certain time frame. Finally, the most important settings can all be found in the Settings tab. Playback settings allow you to adjust text margins on your video, to change the font or the line spacing, to switch between upper and lowercase, or to set a cue indicator so you never lose track of the next segment of your script. The app offers some cutting-edge solutions for users with reading difficulties, such as bionic reading, which highlights the first few letters of each word to aid reading, or Open Dyslexic Font, designed for easy reading for dyslexic individuals. Other settings aid easy and effective video recording in every possible way, such as by mirroring the text horizontally or vertically for proper display on the teleprompter glass, or by providing options for 4K recording, countdown before recording, scroll syncing, or a progress bar. This is also the tab where you can connect other devices to serve as a display device or a remote. The Teleprompter app is compatible with an array of external hardware devices. You can pair it with Bluetooth keyboards, presentation remotes, game controllers, foot pedals, and Apple devices as well. Don't worry if you're not a tech expert yet. The Teleprompter app offers you quick guides on how to easily connect each device. Let's quickly have a look at how you can connect an iPhone and an iPad with the Teleprompter app. First, you will need a teleprompter device. Download the app for both devices, and then go to Settings and find the Connect Other Device option. You'll need to turn on Bluetooth for both devices, and then select the Bluetooth option within the app. Choose the tablet as the display device and the phone as the remote. After they have successfully connected, you can control your tablet from your phone. After that, you can just select the desired script, adjust the font size, the playback speed, and any additional settings, and your teleprompter setup is ready to rock. Try it now. With Teleprompter's 7-day free trial, you can record live presentations, practice scripts, and record videos with a watermark. When you upgrade to Pro, you can remove the teleprompter watermark from your recordings. Record in 4K. Mirror scripts for use with a teleprompter rig. Pro is perfect for professional content creators.